I think these are like 3 or 4 years old. Maybe longer than that. See, here's the point of today. Let's use what we have. You know, let's try to, you know, as a YouTuber, I always will go out and try to purchase kind of the latest thing. Like, I remember when I went and picked out this Pretty Rich by Too Faced. But do you know something? The colors in this, that kind of purpley blue right there, well, that's actually more purple. But, I mean, I have a lot of these colors right here. I do this, honestly, to do reviews for you guys sometimes because afterwards I find myself that I don't even use the palette again after that. Now, I'll use this one because of these neutrals here, this cashmere color, this highlighter, and, you know, I will use this, and I'm glad that it has a couple of colors in it. I probably will, it'd be a rare day that I would use something that shimmery, these real, like, matte glitters, as I call them, because when you lay them down, they're like a sheet of, like, glitter. I have no occasion in my life to wear that, so it would just be fun for around the house. But anyway, I do think whatever palettes you have, use them. And y'all, they don't have to be these big palettes. Use some of your little ones. Remember this one I showed y'all? This is a really great one. You can get this at the drugstore. Or at an Ulta, or I think Ulta is where I got this one. But this is just a little smaller palette. Hold on. And it's just got 6 colors, but I really like these 6 colors. I need to use this more. This, just so you know, this is Bare Minerals Gin Nude, and this is the Rosé palette, or Rose. It doesn't have an accent aigu, therefore it is Rose. But, I mean, Maybelline, L'Oreal, especially L'Oreal is one of my favorite. Maybelline is one of my favorites too. CoverGirl, they all have these at your regular grocery store and drugstore where you've got just, you don't need a whole bunch of colors. Sometimes you just, especially if you like neutral everyday looks, get something that has just that many colors. Or a quad, just a quad would be good. Do I have one? I sure do, right here. We should use this next time. This is the color Revlon Color Stay 555 Moonlit. Look at this. It's just what I was talking about. 4 colors. Perfect. Because you could also use this dark color on your brow. And you can use it to line through your lashes. And make it look like liner. So, I mean, you've taken care of shadow, brow, eyeliner with this. The only thing else you would need is a blush. Which, if you get a cream blush, a cream blush can double is both a lipstick and a blush and an eyeshadow. So, you know, use them. Use them. You know what I'm saying? Okay, where are we? I have to look. We're at 20. Oh my gosh, we went over again. So now we're on part 3. Well, if we're going to be in part 3, I might as well go ahead and put on some mascara. I need a smaller mirror. That's kind of heavy to hold up to a mirror. So I'm going to use my Marc Jacobs mirror, which that's half the reason I got this. I love this big, huge mirror that I can use. Okay, because my mirror is way over there. I could pull it forward. Couldn't tie. By the way, I have been using this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultrafine Mist. And I have to tell you, in comparison to the Flower Seal the Deal, this is one of the best misters I've ever had because it gives such a nice shimmer. And when you're older and you're trying to not look like you have dry skin, this smells amazing. It smells like watermelons. This smells amazing. Y'all know this is my favorite because of the smell. And this is my all-time favorite, which is the Chanel Hydra Beauty Essence Mist. But this is $99. And it is a little more wet. It does not give a shimmer at all. So let me just show you the difference. You got to shake this up. But this is from Flower Beauty, which is Drew Barrymore's line. And it's called Flower Seal the Deal. Watch. Do I look wet? It will dry that way. It will dry that way. It will give that beautiful little... I didn't even use highlighter, which I don't always use. I rarely use highlighter on my face, actually. It's so funny that people try to mattify and make their sweat look like it's not there, and then they add it back. It's like, why do you do that? I don't know. Alright, so I'm not going to use any additional like liquid eyeliner. I've already eyelined my waterline with a crayon liner. And that was the Infallible, which I've shown y'all lots of times. And you can get that at the grocery store. That's L'Oreal Infallible. And I got to tell y'all, that is one of the best cream liners for your waterline I've ever used. I think it even beats out the IT Cosmetics No Tug Waterproof liner and the Tarteist liner. The thing I like about Tarteist is